And just in case you don't have your laptop with you or a portable power supply, you can always use your travel adapter for your cell phone, smartphone, mobile phone, like this Samsung one I have, the quick recharger thing with the Galaxy Note 4. So plug that in here, the USB cable, flashing, ready to go, and there. Oh, look at that! Isn't that beautiful? So there we go. So even if you don't have your computer with you, you probably have your charger with you. So you can still use your N Mist Portable Humidifier wherever you go. Check that out. Wow.